Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In this new video we will see how we can connect GoDaddy domain to our Cloudflare hosting and enjoy the benefits like free SSL certificate, free CDN and improve the site speed. So let's get started. For that, first click on visit my account or go to the dashboard of GoDaddy. Then you will see a list of the products or the domain that you have owned. Now click on the domain of which you want to connect to Cloudflare. After that, click on the manage DNS settings. As you can see that our DNS page has been loaded. Here you will see the different DNS or the existing DNS record of your domain. Here will not alter anything. We have to go to the name server section of this domain page. Here you can see there is a name server section. Here we have to change the name server with the Cloudflare ones. Now go to the Cloudflare and click on the sign in button. After that, first you need to create an account with Cloudflare to use their free plans. Now simply create an email, put your email and put a password. Let's put the email and password and simply create an account. Now our account is successfully created. Enter the domain to which you want to connect your Cloudflare account. I'll enter my domain and then simply click on add site. After that you will get a list of plans. Simply click on the free plan that will cost around $0 per month. So click on the free plan. Now Cloudflare will show you the existing DNS record in your domain. After that, simply click on the next button or simply click on the continue button. Here you will see, here is the important step. Here you will see some name servers. Make sure you replace the existing name server with this name servers. So simply go to your GoDaddy account. Now simply click on enter my own name server and put the name server that you have copied from the Cloudflare, and let's copy the another one and put it into the GoDaddy's account. That's all you have to do to connect your Cloudflare to your domain name. So simply click on the save button and simply agree to their terms and conditions and click on the continue button. Now let's refresh in the Cloudflare account so that we will be notified if our domain is connected to the Cloudflare. Note that it may take up to some time. It may take up to 42 hours or 24 hours depending on your net speed or anything. So it may take some time. So let's check if it is connected to our domain. So let's go to the Cloudflare account. Now let's check. Now before, make sure you toggle the some important settings. Make sure you toggle this on so that SSL certificate is on. Also make sure you enable this. This is very crucial to enable SSL certificate on your domain. They provide you with the free SSL certificate, so make sure you toggle this. And also make sure you toggle all this. If you are not using any other plugin for minification, you can toggle this on. Now simply click on finish and let's see if our domain is connected to the Cloudflare. So let's click on recheck. It may take some time to connect. Let's check again in few minutes. As you can see that we have successfully connected our domain to the Cloudflare network. You can even see that Cloudflare will be protecting your domain. All the other stuff like CDN and free SSL certificate will be activated on your domain. Also you can see other toggle box like Cloudflare will be protecting your account. Here in this case we have seen a toggle box like it is successfully activated. Thanks for watching this video till end. If you like this video, make sure you give a thumbs up to this video.